Hey YouTube land, welcome to my channel. Well, this is the episode where we pick the winner. One of you lucky subscribers is going to be the winner of this JJPRO X5 EPIK drone. Yes, you are going to receive this drone courtesy of Gearbest. Thank you, Gearbest. They are going to send this drone to you, a brand new one, not this used one that I have here. Well, you probably want me to be quiet and get on with the contest to see who won, so here we go. And now it's time to pick a winner for the Gearbest JJPRO X5 EPIK drone. Thank you, Gearbest, for sending this to a lucky subscriber to the Captain Drone channel. Let's jump over and see what time it is right now. It is 6:52 p.m. in my area in Ottawa, and it is Tuesday, June 18th, 2019. You will be watching this video on Wednesday, June 19th. So let's go back to the website. This is where the questions were. I'm going to scroll down and find right here. Question number 1 said, or asked, you will see the word summer made out of sand. What sea creature is under the letter M? So let's go to that website and look right here. There's the letter M, and right here is the starfish, so I will accept starfish or something along that lines for the correct answer. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. Look above the guy in the roller coaster. How many drones are flying above it? It would be the roller coaster, not the guy, but it doesn't really matter. Let's go over to that. Here's the roller coaster here. How many drones are flying above it? None are, because they're all in it. Above would be up top, but it doesn't matter. I know people are going to put 1 or 2 because there's a drone over here. So I will accept the answer 0, 1, or 2. All of those are good. All right, let's go to question number 3. This one here, I received some strange answers. It says, what color is the dolphin in the sea? And if I go to my little web page here, over here, we see my little dolphin, which now looks more like a shark to me. It looked like a dolphin when my screen was small and I was looking on my cell phone. But either case, what color is that? That's all I need. So some people put down blue, mauve. Some people even wrote gray. I will not accept gray because that's not even close to gray unless you're watching it, looking at it on a black and white screen, or you're watching reruns of Flipper. But for me, I need the words blue, purple, or anything along that line. So now let's go over to our little website here. Let's grab the URL. Copy that. Let's put it in the YouTube random comment generator right there. Make sure I have filtered duplicate users. Get YouTube comments. Let's see if we have 800 like last time. I think we will. So we have 884 unique comments. So let's hit the start and find out who is going to be the winner. The person's name who comes up will be the winner of this drone. What do we get? Rudy Razzo says starfish. 2 drones, both correct, and lavender or light purple, I will accept that. So Rudy, you are the winner. But Rudy, if you do not accept this prize for whatever reason, well, I have to give it to this person here, the runner-up. Let's see, runner-up is going to be, and the runner-up is Dilam Pharma. Sounds like a pharmaceutical thing. Starfish, 1 drone, no dolphin, but shark is blue. All right. Looks like a shark, could have been a dolphin. I will give it to you because that is correct. Let's go and get our 3rd runner-up. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Stephen Benway, starfish 1, blue, purple. That is correct. Well, let's jump back. Let me give you some final details to the winner and the runner-ups. All right, back to me, and here we have the name of the winner, which is Rudy right over here, and then the 2 runner-ups right here. Now, what has to happen is all three of you, 1, 2, 3, have to contact me via email at this email address that I'm putting below here. I can't see it because it's magically going to appear right in the subject of the email. Winner, JJPRO X5. That will cause me to find your email because I get an awful lot of emails. Now, all 3 of you, is that straight? Yes. All 3 of you have to send me an email by Saturday, the 22nd of June. So here's how it works. Let's say that Rudy, who is the winner, doesn't send me an email by Saturday, the 22nd of June, but the other 2 individuals here do send me an email. Well, that means that the second runner-up will win the prize. It's that simple. And if neither of the first 2 send me an email, well, then the 3rd runner-up will win the prize. That's how I work this contest. All right, everyone. So a big thank you to Rudy for winning, and to everyone else, Better luck next time, because as you know, there's a contest going on right now where you have to name how many drones you see on the page on the TomTop website. I'm going to pick the winner for that contest. That'll be next week. So good luck in that contest. For now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one.